Hey, this is Julio with Contemporary Automotive. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick walk around of this beautiful 2022 Jeep Compass that we have here available. Throughout the video, if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Double click that button to open up the door or the trunk in the rear. See how much room you have. Use the key fob or push this button right here to close it. Take a look inside. You're gonna have the leather interior with the panoramic sunroof. Vehicle has 42,884 miles. Brand new screen. Apple and Android CarPlay, like I said, wireless, dual climate control. Going to have your four-wheel drive system. If you have any questions about the vehicle, please let me know. Phone number here is going to be 603-213-5018. Thank you and have a great day.